So बच्चे the next mix is promotion mix. Promotion mix refers to the combination of promotional tools used by the business to inform and persuade the customers about the product. This job is done by the company through the medium of advertisement, personal selling, sale promotion, and publicity. There are 4 tools for promotion of the product. Either you can go with advertising the product, personal selling, sales promotion, and publicity. There are 4 methods which can be used for promotion of any product. What is promotion mix? It refers to a combination of promotional tools used by the business to inform and persuade the customers about the product. Combination of promotional tools used to inform customers about the product. You want to inform your customers about the product, or for doing that you have to use any of the tool, or you can use all the tools. These are the 4 promotional tools. First we will talk about advertising. By way of advertising, the seller makes available adequate information about its product. If we want to give adequate information, we will use this tool. Such an information motivates the potential consumers, and as a result sale increases. Main media used for advertising are newspaper. Beta, we can use newspapers for advertising our product. Then journals. Journals are the business newspapers. Posters we can use. We can paste the posters on the walls. Then radio and television, etc. For advertising the product, we can use any of the following media: newspaper, journals, posters, radio, TV, etc. We can use cinema also. So we can advertise our product and we can give information about the product to the consumers. Then comes personal selling. By way of advertising, the seller conveys his version of the product but cannot know the reaction of the consumer. Here you can only tell your things, but you cannot observe the reaction of the consumer. But when you are in front of the consumer, then you can notice the reaction also. It is thus a one-way system of promotion. This deficiency is made good by personal selling. In this system, both the buyers and sellers come into contact with each other face to face. The seller tries to attract the consumer to his product by narrating its characteristics to the latter. This requires your face-to-face contact. Either you go to the shop of the shopkeeper, or he will come to your home as salesman. So in both type of things you have to face each other, and this is called personal selling, when he can impress you and your reaction he can note down. This is called personal selling, when buyer and seller are contacting each other face to face. Then third one is sales promotion. Here you have to go face to face. Then third one is sales promotion. All other measures then advertising and publicity and personal selling taken to increase the sales are included in sales promotion. For example, giving gifts. You are giving free gifts to your customers. And facility in installment. Just to attract the customers, you are giving these incentives. You are selling your product in installments, fall in price, fall in price. Then बच्चे consumer contest, exhibition and fair, coupon. You can distribute the coupons and you can distribute the samples. These are used for short period. These are just temporary. On the occasion of Diwali, on the occasion of Eid, Holi, you can give special incentives to the consumers or to the distributors even. These are called sale promotion techniques. A lot of sale promotion techniques are there. Then last one is bachche publicity. What is publicity? It is a medium to provide information about a particular product to the customers, for which no effort is made by the producer. No effort by producer. But you don't need to make an effort to give information to the public. For example, if the editor of a newspaper or magazine himself publishes information about the product of a company, it is called publicity. Producers have not to incur any expense on it. The editor does so with a view to adding to the knowledge of his readers. Such an information has a salutary effect on the customers. So what is publicity? It is done free of cost and it is not done by the producer himself, and no effort producer has to make for it. Suppose I have used something yesterday, suppose I have used a new soap, and I am telling you everyone that I have used yesterday a new soap and I am feeling a lot of change in my skin or whatever. I am telling you this thing. No producer have told me and I am not appointed for this, but I am just sharing my experience. This is publicity. I am doing the publicity of the product. That is publicity in which no effort is made by the producer and it is free of cost. So these are the promotional tools which we use for increasing the sales of any product. Combination of promotional tools used to inform the customer about the product are promotional mix, and this mix includes 4 type of tools which can be used to give information to the producer, like advertising, personal selling, sale promotion, publicity. Advertisement is very costly, even personal selling is very costly, because advertisement can reach to maximum people within a second, but personal selling is very costly. Sale promotion is comparatively less and this is free of cost. Any doubt, bachche?